adding the research image to a research summary template. That's this field just here, and what we need to do is upload an image of the front page or cover of our piece of research or other content to show you what that looks like in a finished web page. This report here, How Investors Integrate ESG, a Typology of Approaches. So in the template, this would be our the research image. So it's the front page, and this is how it shows up in the finished product. So how we go about that is we go to our piece of content, and we've got a few ways that we can do this. We could use a snipping tool if we have a snipping tool. Simply activate the snipping tool and trace around the front cover like so, and then we can save that as an image. So this is saved as a PNG, which is fine. Now to name it, we first put in the unique identifier and then the name of the piece of paper, a piece of research. So once we've done that, then we would go to add image and we would upload it from here. So upload files, select file, clearly I've already done this before, but we had a PNG, so this one here. So it's come up here. Now it's within our limits, so 800 pixels is the limit on either side. So we're within our limits. We don't need to edit it, so we can just select that and it's uploaded. Okay, so just bear in mind that once you upload, you can't change the name, so make sure that the file is named correctly before you upload. Another option is that there are some free PDF to JPEG converters, and you can just drag the file. So if I go to my downloads and get the PDF for this article and just pop it into here, within a very short space of time it will convert. So we're going to convert entire pages. We just want the front page, but it will convert the whole thing to single pages. And now it's downloaded all of each page individually. We just want the first page, so we can download that. Again, remember to use the naming convention, so the unique identifier, space, hyphen, space, and then the title, as you would put the title in the title field, so only the first word is capitalized, and then save. Let's replace that. Okay, so if we were to go here, and now we'll add the new image that we've just done. So upload files. So we just had the JPEG then. So this one here. So it's uploading. Now, as you can see, using the PDF to JPEG splitter, we've got quite a large, beautifully clear, but quite a large image. So we can edit that from here. And we just go to the largest dimension, which is the 3300 pixels, and change that to 800. It'll automatically scale the other dimension. So we just hit scale. And our new image is in the right dimensions now. So it's now changed to 800 maximum. We've got the correct title. So that is the one that we want. So we select that. If you have a piece of content that is not a PDF, that's just a website, for instance, this one here, Terms List by Carbon Tracker, then you simply hit Control P and save as a PDF, and then do the same thing. So either open it up and take a snapshot of that front page here, or use a PDF to JPEG splitter.